Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'll present about PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. PPE is used during the PCB fabrication process. PCB fabrication process involves handling hazardous chemical and materials. Protective equipment and clothing are necessary to protect workers. First one, eye protection. Safety glasses are an important protective gear in PCB, print circuit board fabrication, which is the process of manufacturing electronic circuit on a non-conductive substrate. In PCB fabrication, safety glasses are used to protect the eyes of workers from potential hazards such as flying debris, chemical and UV radiation. And second one, respiratory protection. Respiratory protection is an important aspect of personal protective equipment (PPE) in PCB fabrication. Respiratory protection is necessary because workers in PCB fabrication may be exposed to hazardous chemical and particles that can cause respiratory irritation, lung damage, or other health problems. And next, hand protection. Gloves should be worn when handling chemical or substance that can damage the skin. Personal protective equipment (PPE) is an essential part of the process of designing electronic circuit on print circuit board (PCB). Hand protection is a crucial safety precaution because the production of PCB may expose workers to threats like electric shock, sharp edge, and solvents. And next, protective clothing. In the manufacture of PCB, protective gear is a crucial component of personal protective equipment (PPE). Wearing protective clothes is essential since PCB manufacturing employers may be exposed to dangerous chemicals, jet, edge, and other potential danger that could result in harm or injury. Safety practice. Utilizing personal protection equipment (PPE) correctly when participating in risky activity or in the job, such as wearing gloves, helmet, and safety glasses. And two, equipment. Tools and machinery should undergo routine maintenance and inspection to make sure they are safe to use and in good operation order. Handling and storing hazardous goods correctly, including adhering to all labeling, handling, and disposal instructions. And three, observing standard safety regulation and procedure such as emergency response plan, fire safety plans, and evacuation plans, ensuring that workers, staff, and individuals receive adequate training and education on safety practice and procedures, including hazard recognition and injury prevention. Keeping a tidy and organized workspace or surrounding, especially making sure exit and path are clear and unobstructed, fostering a culture of safety by all workers must wear the appropriate protective equipment and clothing. And conclusion, appropriate protective equipment and clothing, safety practice (SOP) and maintenance are essential to ensure the safety of workers during the PCB fabrication process. The creation of electronic circuit on a non-conductive substrate, known as PCB print circuit board production, necessitated the use of personal protective equipment (PPE), which is a crucial component of workplace safety. Employing the proper PPE is crucial in reducing the risk of harm or injury to workers since they may be exposed to hazards including chemical, sharp edge, electrical shocks, and other possible danger. PPE come in many different forms, including breathing protection, eye and facial protection, hand protection, and protective clothing, based on the particular dangers inherent in the work area and the task being carried out. The right type of PPE should be chosen. It's critical to instruct personnel in the use of the right PPE in addition to supplying the with it. That's all. Thank you.